Yumi and Liam are in the fight right now.
Yes.
How to run? Oh. It's, we are literally in mobile.
We're so cool. Three, two, one, get down!
I'm coming for you, Daddy.
Wait, where the hell are you? I tell you. Okay, let's go. It's here. Anyway. Ah!
Tuyang mo, tuyang! Sa likod mo!
Hey, yo! What the you are the perfect friend. Ah, what the? Ayun.
I literally am in the top. Where are you? Enemy 10.
Go, 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 go. Here. Here. Let's go.
Where are the enemies?
So, let's go. I'm so scared of. Ayun! Yes!
Oh, how do I do?
Yes!
Bro, we're literally in a mission. Okay, guys. So, Ashley is done. As I died. I'm expecting Liam. Okay, guys. Comment down below. Say hey if you are Team Jundle and say yo if you are Team Sammy.
What? Hey! That's cheating! One more.
Bye bye, guys. Okay, guys. Bye bye. We will play another game. The 99 nights in the day. I mean 99 nights in the forest. Bye bye.